Hi all, I'm Dr. D. Madhvi. Today I'm going to explain about exam preparation. You have to start early and if you don't do that, you need a good plan. So prepare an outline of your plan and execute the plan without any deviation. So exam preparation is not a nightmare or demon. It's really a good experience if you maintain the schedule. So stress and tension doesn't help us anymore. So be cool and make a wonderful plan and accordingly segregate your material, study material, and then start your preparation. So these are the important tasks that are to be completed. First one is you have to make an outline of the plan, like what are the topics you want to cover, in which subjects you want to cover, and how many days are there. So like that you have to prepare according to the number of available days and prepare accordingly. So don't get panic because the exams are getting near. Just you need a starting point. When you start preparing for the examination, some of the burden will be released from your brain and you will be in action and you are in a direction towards success in a step-by-step manner. And then avoid distractions. That means don't think any other things. Focus only on your subjects and exams. Handwrite all the revision notes. Revision is very, very important. Otherwise, you cannot remember all the subjects. Learn to use your calculator and do solve the past papers. After completely revising the subjects, spare some time to answer the past papers for each subject. Have a group revision session with your friends, those match you and help you to clarify your doubts in various concepts. Bring a watch to the examination hall so that you can keep an eye on how much time you are spending on each question, and bring lots of stationery and you will not worry about the ink in the pen, a pencil point or eraser or sharpener. Make sure you know where the exam is, in which floor it is located, in which room it is located. Everything will be displayed in the notice board in the ground floor. So observe all those things and then start proceeding for your exam. So I'll elaborate all these things. So make a plan. It is time to plan now. Create a revision plan and schedule and try to stick to it. See, don't create a plan that I will complete one subject today. So that is not possible. So you plan in such a way that it is possible for you to stick to it. And because you are going for more than one exam, and it will be quite tricky to study for several modules at the same time. So making a schedule is the key for everything, and put in deadlines for yourself to keep you working. So you can plan one subject per day, or morning one subject, in the afternoon another subject, or one difficult subject in the morning till afternoon, and one easy subject from afternoon to evening, and one difficult subject in the evening and night. So for difficult subjects, you take important questions first, and for easy subjects, you can have more portion to be covered. So you are into the race now. Avoid distractions. So identify the best working environment for you. Isolate yourself, and you may work best from a coffee shop or in a library with music on or off. But number one tip is, you revising with friends might seem like good idea, but you'll end up talking and getting a pizza instead of reading. So forget about parties, food, and holiday trips and all, especially mobile games, and focus on your studies. Handwrite all the revision notes. Note down all the key points while you are covering certain topics in a subject. So create a memory map so that daily once you can check up those points. Start with chapter-wise contents in the textbook. In the front pages of the textbook, you find the contents of the textbook. There you can find the subtopics and all. You study that, and also refer index for important keywords. And then practice diagrams wherever necessary. Practice example problems in mathematics and especially engineering drawing. Practice, practice, practice. It makes you perfect. So much of writing practice should be done in order to remember things. Learn to use your calculator. It sounds stupid, but practice using all different functions of a calculator. You might need well ahead of the exam, so you don't have to panic when you forget how to use matrices and so on. After completion of the syllabus of all the subjects, you please schedule time for answering the previous papers, because few questions will be repeating from the previous papers, and answering previous papers will give you an exposure about the subject and the things that you feel unimportant and left. So those can be revised here once. So don't forget to answer past papers. You have to answer few questions, few papers, and better do some writing practice. Have a group revision session once a while with your friends on a particular subject. After answering your question papers, you may get some doubts. So you can clarify in a group session with limited number of friends who can help you. Share your tips on remembering the hardest things, but don't even think about food and movies. Don't chit chat there. Only discuss your doubts and clarify. Bring a watch to the examination hall. So the watch will be reminding you how much time you should spare on a particular question. So suppose you are unable to solve a particular problem in the examination, don't spend too much of time on it. Just move on and come back to it later if you still have time after attempting all the questions. Attempting all the questions within the time is very, very important. Bring lots of stationery, pencils, erasers, pens, scale, rollers, whatever you make use. So you purchase all the stationery sufficient for all the examinations, sequence of examinations you are going to attend. And make sure you know where the exam is. Check the notice board thoroughly. Check your details properly in your seating arrangement and then go to the examination hall. And in the last 5 minutes, don't scribble whatever you like. Okay. Spare some time to revise your answers that in the booklet. And I wish you a good luck for the examination preparation which leads to success. Thank you.